Hey guys, Kyle here, bringing you guys another Madden mobile video here today. And today I will be doing the Avalanche pack opening for you guys. This, I guess, night, the Ralph Stadium and FedEx Field. So let's get on to this Avalanche pack. I'm hoping we can get something that'd be amazing. 50K. 1000K, helmet, and the legendary pack. Let's go! Holy cow! Let's go! I'll take that. Oh, let's open that legendary pack. Oh. This contains 5 gold or better players and a legend item. Holy cow. Oh, sick. Oh, not up to 18. But still. Frank Zedkoff. That's our legend. At least you got a couple. But still, that's sick, bro. I'm thinking I'm gonna do this again, repeat this. That's sick. Let's go. Let's go. Put that in here. 50K. Health. This needs his rookie card. I need a lot of legends rookie card. I'm gonna be able to do this trophy for you guys. Yep, here you go.